Hello everyone, Speedyguy here today, and here I am today. I want to give you guys, I'm gonna do a, what do you call it? I was gonna do a demonstration. I was gonna play with Python practically, and I was gonna build a game with it. Um, the game is, let me pull it up really quickly. I have a book with it. All right, here we go. So I have a book. I can't record it. I don't have my webcam hooked up yet. I ordered it recently. The book is called Help Your Kids with Computer Coding. Help Your Kids with Computer Coding. Um, it's a very good book. I honestly recommend if you want your kids or if you are a kid and you want to learn how to code. This book, I don't remember how much it cost me, but um, I'm pretty sure if you can find like a digital library or something, you can get it. It is let me see what the author was. Yeah, she was a girl, I think. Okay, I can't see. Oh, here we go. It says it's 19 bucks or 20 bucks if you want to round up, and US money, 1995 to be exact. And I can't see who the author was. Um, but it's a really good book. I recommend you buy it if you want to learn how to code. Um, I think her name is Coral Vorderman, I'm pretty sure was her name. If not, I don't know. Alright, now I'm actually going to get to the visual stuff. Um, so guys, let me open up Python. Now really quickly, if you're just looking on how to open up Ideal Editor, I spent all day. There's this YouTuber. I can't find his name right now. I'll edit it into the thing right here. Um, he helped me with a video. He practically just shows you how to run it, and like it's like you need to watch the first minute and 13 seconds to figure it out. And it helps out with a lot of other stuff too if you're new to Python. So you want to open up the shell right here. The difference between the shell and the editor is the shell is like for quick stuff. So if you want to do like 1 plus 7, 8, like it's just quick. Like that's a bad example because in the like you can do that in the editor shell, but in the other shell you have to save the file. Then um you have to do all kind of stuff. Now I already have this game saved. I already did it. It's called Ghost Game. So I'll show you guys how to code it. So you want to go to File, and every you want to open up the new you want to open up the editor. You go to New File, and it'll take you to this. It's going to be untitled, full screen if you want. Uh, let's see. Now let me pull it up. Here in the book, it tells you actually how to code Ghost Game. I already, if you guys want, something I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna I'll put a link for python.org so you can go and download the newest version if you want. Um, Mind you though, if you're using Windows XP or lower, you have to use the version 2 point, you have to use 2 point, whatever the last 2.0 version was. So, which, alright, I'm sorry. Ghost Game. Now, I already have this saved, actually. So let me pull it up really quickly. Ghost Game. Computer. Local to C. Python. Script test. Okay, wait, wrong thing. Where did I save it at? I saved it somewhere. I'm just gonna show you guys a code, what it looks like. Alright, I can't find it in my folders. Also, guys, make sure before you're downloading Python that, like, if you're doing this on a parent's computer, make sure you have permission to do it. So you want to start off with hashtag. Yeah, whoops, I had my caps lock on. Ghost Game. I highly recommend also too not to like also FYI, no one's sponsoring this video. So anyone that I'm recommending, I personally want to recommend them. And another person is typing.com. They help you out with your typing, and typing is crucial when you code. It's really helpful. So let's see. So from randit from random. Now I'm gonna be honest really quickly. So I don't understand exactly what this means right here, but I can explain the next part. Hold up. So If you use Scratch, if you've ever coded with Scratch before, like I made a game on Scratch. It's a audio game. It's maybe not the best, but it's something I was just bored and did. So, ghost game. So what you want to do here is, mind you, Python. Now, like if you used Scratch before, you might have like done the blocks and stuff. This is real coding. This is like a computer language, everything, and you have to. It's very case sensitive. So print, it's just like well, when I don't know what the exact thing is on Scratch, but like when you say um on the screen, say this. So you want to have only the single air quotes, not the double ones. Then you do that. And then the parentheses is when you're opening up that string and closing that string. I think that's what they're called, strings. Alright. Feeling brave equals true. So what happens is something like this, for example. Um, it's feeling brave equals true. Is because, oh wait, make sure you have a capital T. Whoops, I forgot that. So look at, now it's gonna read it. Because if I didn't, it would come up as a syntax error. Um, it has a library. I don't know how to access it. I think I could figure it out, and you guys could too easily. But feeling brave, that's something that they have in their system. I'm pretty sure. Score equals 0. That makes sense on its own. Score equals 0. That's that's what your score starts off at. Now, well, feeling brave. Make sure you do the colon right here. Don't do the semicolon. Uh, use and one more quickly. I can't stress this enough. Use the what do you call it? Capital letters when you need to. And then these have to be underscores right here. Don't do the minus. If you want, for some computers it's different. For mine, I have to press shift, then the minus, then it gives me the underscore. For you, it might be different. I don't know. Computers are different. Then that colon is now going to give us an indent. You want this indent. Don't press backspace. It's going to mess it up. Now, it's going to be, if you notice, it's going to be 4 spaces indented. You want that to be for the next 1, 2, 3, 4. Want it to be like that for like the next 6 or 7 lines. So let's see. Ghost. Also, I should probably include this a little bit earlier, but if you want, I'm just gonna put in all this code. I'm gonna copy and paste it into the description below. So if you guys wanna, like, if your parents or something are making you doing coding and you just don't really want to do it, or you can't, or you want to, but you're just not feeling up to it at that moment, just go down there, copy and paste it to this area, and bam, show me made a game. And also, just so you guys know, there's not gonna be a graphical interface. Like, it's not gonna be like it's actually gonna show doors and ghosts. It's just gonna be all text. It's just gonna be all code. So then print three doors. Also, something guys you guys can also do is when you're not copying off this thing, say you're making your own game, print. You can, like, a way to test to see if your Python actually works is just typing print hello world. So if you wanted to type it into something else, like there are 3 doors in front of you, like something like that, then um print. Sorry, I'm like looking at. I got something distracting me right now. Um, ghost behind 1. Make sure you guys don't. I'm just gonna say something really quickly. I know I told you to stress on caps right here, but you don't have to stress on caps when doing a print. So you can literally change it to like an A, and it won't make a difference, but it will show up as a lowercase a. Uh, so if you're like someone who doesn't care much for capitalization, you don't need to pay attention to most of this. Ghost behind. I'm not spelling behind right. No, actually, never mind. Okay. A ghost behind one, and then you can do one. Uh, you could just do the period. You could also like. Oh wait, wait a second. I forgot to do something. Dang it. Okay. Speedyy made a mistake. 1, 2, 3. That's something I like to do. The book says to do it. This says, it looks cool. Even if they didn't say to do it, I like it. Um, cause I changed the last bit of code to my personal preference, and I literally, cause it says ghost run away at the end, and I didn't like the way that looked or sounded, so I did all caps on it. Which door do you open? How do I spell it? Witch. Whoops. I always get witch and witch confused. Oh, whoops, I forgot the semicolon. Dang it. I mean, I forgot the air quotes. So which door do you open? Oh, dang it, I'm totally forgetting punctuation right here. I'm like 100% forgetting it, dang it. Okay. Print. So remember, that's 3 different prints. Then you want to do door equals, so you want it, wait, hold up, door equals input, input. Hold up, I'm looking at the wrong line right now. Alright, dang it. Okay, so let's see. So then you want to do door input, make sure I got that right. Input. Got an sorry, I just had something just came into my room and it's like, totally distracting me right now. Input. Now you want to do one. Dun, 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 dun. See, so look at this right here is going to give you the option. So when you type in because the way you play the game, I'm just going to tell you guys right now, is you type in 1, 2, or 3, enter. It's like a guessing game. This right here is telling it that when you press a certain button, 1, 2, or 3, it can take the input in. So, or 3. All right. Door underscore num equals, and also just so you guys know, if this video can get, I want to start it at, because not many people, my Bitsbuck video got like 170 views so far, which I love, so that means obviously whatever I'm doing with the coding, you guys like it, so I'm going to do that a little bit more. If you can hit 10 likes on this video, I'm going to start posting more Python and Scratch videos, because, I mean, it's fun to code. I mean, doesn't matter if you're a woman or if you're a man, coding's just fun, because I know now there's like a lot, or recently there was controversy on whether or not women, I think, are something we're able to code. I don't know, I didn't really pay much attention to it. So yeah, coding's a fun thing to do. Even if you're even if you're like 5 or not 5, if you're like 7 or 8, it's still super fun. Like, I love computers. So now, okay, there we go. If door equals, then you want to do 2 equal signs here, just an FYI. Then ghost door. You want to do colon. Then what should happen is you'll do it again, and your index will start at 8 spaces. See, so this is 4. Now you're at 8. So that's normal. Then you want to do print. So that right now, if door number equals ghost door, then this is like now. So like this whole code right here, feeling brave ghost door. This whole little part right here is saying if you get it right, what to do. Or this is the input actually. Wait, never mind. So right now, we're gonna. So this is like the whole setup, but it's gonna show. Now, if you get caught and you do the ghost store, this is what's gonna happen. It's gonna print uh ghost. Hold up, I forgot one button. And then and there we go. Dang it. Huh? Oh, wait a second. Ah, dang it. I did my own mistake. I told you guys not to do. Wait. Oh, 'cause I did a shift. Whoops. Alright, ghost. There we go. Bam. So that's going to tell us that when you hit the ghost door, it's going to say ghost. Then feeling brave equals false. We're no longer feeling brave. Wow, feeling brave, feeling brave. Alright, false. So remember, you gotta pay attention to those caps. Cap right there, and cap right there. I feel like I'm missing something. Nope. Now, else, what this whole little function is for, else, that means if this happens, then that's supposed to happen. But if that doesn't happen, then you do this. Oh wait, this indent. Well, so this is going to start at 8 spaces. You want to just remove it back to 4. Um, then else print no ghost. Now what this string right here is saying, if you don't get the ghost store, print no ghost. So that's saying now their screen when they click on a door and it's not the ghost door, it'll just say no ghost. You're good. Print. Sorry, this video is taking like a little too long. It's already running at 17 minutes. Dang. I don't think most people are gonna watch the full thing through. They might. Now that's you enter the next room. Whoops, I accidentally put 2. Alright, there we go. I would have some background music instead of me talking, but the application I'm using right now to record doesn't allow me to do sound, like my machine sound. So if I'm playing a song on my thing, like one that's not copyrighted, it wouldn't let me do that. So score equals score plus 1. What that says right there is telling us that whenever else happens, you don't get the ghost door, you get an extra score point. Now, you want to do that again, just delete all indents. It won't be, hold up, dang it. I did it too many times. 1, 2, that's how you gotta do it. And then we'll go back to normal. Print, run. It was funny actually. The first time I remember. Oh wait, I'll do it. I prefer. It tells us to do it in only uppercase R, but I prefer to do it all caps. But it was funny. I remember I coded this game like 3 times because every time I coded it, I would do it in the shell. I don't understand the difference between the shell and the editor. I didn't know how to even get to the editor, so that I was always just printing. I was just doing the same game over and over and over again. It was very annoying. Didn't like it. I was like literally like, I'm not using Python anymore. All right, now all caps, game over. Something I like to do. Over. Okay, whoops. Over looked a little strange to me. Then you scored. There you go. You scored. Then you want to put that back. Instead of closing the string, you're just going to press space. That. And then. Or actually, I don't know where it's supposed to go. Let's call it right there. You and then score. Okay? And that is your score right there. So what that's telling us right there is, hey, let's say, so if you, okay, there we go. So I'm not going to explain more. Now you want to, now you can't run something on Python unless you save it. So what you want to do is, before you run this game, I already have it saved. So it's good, but you just want to type in save. It will save it. It'll give you a few options to where to save it. Just make sure you save it in a safe place. If you can't, press this button. Oh, and really quickly, when you save the thing, it'll say name it, and it should have Ghost Game on there. If it doesn't, change it to that, or change it to another name you want it. Go to here. Oh, hold up. Okay, here we go. Ghost Game. Now, now after you do that, you want to click run or F5. So you click run module, or you press F5. Since I don't have this saved, I'm not going to save it again. I'm just going to exit out. Don't want to save this until, no, I don't. Okay, and then what's going to happen is, so Ghost Game right there. Ghost Game, and then it's going to open up something like this, kind of something like this. You're gonna get, it's gonna say Ghost Game, 3 doors ahead, it goes behind one, what should you open? And this is what practically all your code goes into. The print makes it say print, or the hashtag makes the Ghost Game. The print, 3 doors ahead, it goes behind one, what should we open? 1, 2, or 3. Then you wanna type in, I wanna type in 1, no ghost. No ghost. No ghost. It does that sometimes. I don't know if that's just my computer. I don't know why I just did that. It's annoying. Okay, I'm just gonna show it one more time. I'm just gonna save all my code and just type it in the other thing. Alright, ghost. Okay, so that. Then just type in. I think if you do it too many times, it doesn't. So make sure, I guess, then when you really do it, make sure that Ghost Game gets open with. Here we go. Make sure you open it with the Python shell rather than the other thing. Well, that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is Speedyguy. I had a fun time with you guys. Wait, really quickly. Sorry. Alright, so this is it's just gonna keep on showing me this. But yeah, guys, hope you had a nice day. Stay safe with this whole COVID stuff, and I will see you all probably tomorrow or next time I post another video. And have a good one. Bye.